things, as Python is a very powerful high-level language. Obviously, it sounds really technical, but yes, let's go ahead with this right now. After some time, you will be able to understand what does this mean, powerful high-level language. Then it is object-oriented, and it is created by Rossum. Yeah, so the gentleman you can see in the picture, he invented Python as a programming language. Now, powerful high-level programming language means what? Anything you imagine, anything you want to implement, that you can do by using Python programming language. So it tells anything and everything you can implement using powerful, Python being powerful high-level programming language. Object-oriented, yes, this is one type of programming language which tells you how you can write your program. Okay, first of all, when I talk about powerful high-level programming language, object-oriented programming language, so basically what is a programming language? So obviously during the course as well, we will go through what is programming language and why do we need it. But to just give you a glimpse of that, what is programming language? Say for example, you are supposed to go for a movie. Yes, a simple real life example. You want to go for a movie. So what do you do? Whenever you are planning for a movie, then you obviously think about certain things like, okay, which is the show, which movie you want to watch, on which screen it is there, what will be the show, how can I book the ticket. So everything you plan in your head, and then you execute that plan, then you act according to what you have planned, right? This is a very real life example. Now what I want is, I want to create, or I want to have my computer, my system to work in a certain fashion. Okay, simple example, a calculator. So how I will calculate? Simple thing. I have fingers. Generally, being a child, we make use of our fingers. 2 plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 2, I got 4. But then how computer will understand how to write or how to do that addition? So for that, we can write a program. And there are various types of or ways to write this particular program, which is called as programming language. Okay. So powerful high-level programming language, object-oriented programming language, these are various types of programming languages which tell you how to write that particular program which will give you certain outcome. Okay, so this is what about the programming language. Coming back to Python, now Python is a very popular programming language, but there is certain mystery behind the name of Python, right? So the gentleman who has invented, Rossum, who has invented this particular programming language, he was actually going through a comedy series, Monty Python's Flying Circus. Okay, now first of all, why this gentleman thought about something? There were n number of programming languages available, but yes, they had a lengthy things to be done, one after another, one after another. There was no language which can be used to write your programs in a very quick and short way. It's like, here I have written a program and here I am able to see the output. If I make any changes, those are reflected immediately, right? So this kind of programming language was required. Rossum, he invented this particular language, and to gaze the attention of everyone, to capture everyone's attention about what is this, he gave a very mysterious name, that is Python, which actually resembles with a snake, right? So this was how the programming language named with name as Python. Okay. There are certain facts related to Python, because generally what happens, whenever I say that yes, Python is very popular, Python is now in boom, every software company now and then using Python, why Python is so popular. This is what we are going to see now. So basically, Python is now overtaking French language in various primary schools, right? Now, say for example, you want to implement or you want to design a robot. Yes, robot or anything. This is basically machine learning, we can say. Machine learning, you might be able to understand what is machine learning. There is a machine, like a robot, and I want it to work. Yes. So, to make a certain machine to work in a normal way, we need to write a program. So to write a program, I need programming language. So Python gives me that particular facility to write quick and short programs where I'm getting the result, expected result in a shorter time, in a faster way, right? So what has come up so far is the French language is getting overcome by Python. So generally what happens is in schools, children have option to select some language which is other than their English, Hindi, Marathi, whatever languages they learn. So French is one of the language which was opted so far. Now yes, because of Python, students, children and their parents obviously are more intended to have this Python learned by their children. Yes, so 6 out of 10 parents think that my child should learn Python instead of French. So this is a real fact which has came in front of us. So Python has overtaken this popular language in primary schools. To know more about, everyone is aware of Google and YouTube, right? So what Google is? Google is again going to provide you various functionalities like search option. Now, search operation, everyone is aware of. If I want to look for something, we easily go to Google and we ask, I want to know this. What are various programming languages available? What is the price of this particular product? N number of things we have. So now, what and how this Google search or even YouTube, how YouTube is designed. Yes, so Python is the programming language which is used for designing these websites, Google and YouTube. Now in Google you can say search engine. This is called a search engine. The application, the program which is searching for a particular entity. It is called as a search engine, right? So Google is a search engine. YouTube, you see, you can see movies, then your some educational videos, everything is available on YouTube. So how these applications are designed, how these websites are designed. So Google, YouTube, these are designed using Python. So here where you can see your future, if you know Python, you can go into such companies which are making use of Python programming language for developing, for creating their products, right? We are going to say more about Python. This is talking about why Python is very popular. So here, some more things why Python is more popular. So everyone watches Netflix, right? We watch movies. So again, whatever you can see in front of you, the movies getting played or web series are getting played. They are stored somewhere. They are kept somewhere. So everything is done using Python. So Netflix make use of Python for Netflix video streaming, video storage, and everything. Dropbox, I guess everyone is aware of, where we can have our data, our information stored, right? So Dropbox also makes use of Python for designing their products. Facebook, a very popular social networking website. So in Facebook, we have a facility to tag people. I guess everyone is aware of. Whenever I upload any picture, I can tag my friends, my family members. Yes. So in Facebook, whatever that tag functionality is available, that tagging functionality is developed using Python programming language. So you can see that day-to-day life, wherever we are using all these websites, we are actually making use of Python. Yes, and one more very latest product, that is Alexa. I guess everyone is aware of Alexa. Now, what Alexa does? I am giving verbal instructions, right? Alexa, please play certain song, and Alexa plays that. So whatever voice command I'm giving, that voice command needs to be converted into some programming language, isn't it? This is what is required because I'm talking. How Alexa is able to understand what I'm talking. So there is certain conversion required from my voice to certain instructions which can be understood by Alexa. So this functionality is also implemented using Python. So now you can see that how much we are actually using Python. So if you know how to write a program in Python, what all things you can do, right? So that's why Python is very popular, and actually we are already using Python over here in our day-to-day life. Okay. Again, some more. Actually, we have already talked about some of these. So here you can see some more companies which are using Python for their product development. NASA is using Python, Mozilla Firefox, IBM, Raspberry Pi, Walt Disney. All these are using their or Python in their product development. So this talks about your future as well. So if you know Python, if you master Python to write programs, develop applications, so this is what these are the opportunities for you in future, right? Again, now coming to little bit of programming. So okay, before we go further, anyone has any query related to this? Please let me know, or I will just continue. Okay, so now once you know at what all stages Python is getting utilized, and also it's a surprise that yes, I am also making use of Python. I'm using Facebook, I'm using Netflix, I'm using or I have Alexa, and so I'm already using Python over here, isn't it? Yeah. So what makes Python very popular? The main reason why Python is popular is its simplicity. Simplicity means what? As I have already mentioned, we need to write a program. Yes. How I will write a program? Simple thing. Let's keep this Python aside for a moment, and you want to do certain tasks. Say for example, go to a friend's place. Simple thing. Go to a friend's place. Right? So what are steps you will do? You will call up your friend, right, to confirm that yes, we can meet. Then you will get ready, you will discuss or you will decide about how you are going to travel till your friend's place, what are things you are going to do, right? So these are simple steps which you are going to follow. Here also in Python program, we are going to write simple steps. Here, these are called as commands or code. This is called as code. Yes. So here, whatever box you can see, these are Python codes. Okay. Obviously, once you will start learning Python, you will be able to understand in a very easy way. But yes, these two boxes over here have certain code which is written using Python. Yes. Now I want to add two numbers. So I have one number x, its value is 10. I have second number, its value is 20. Now result, because I need to have that result, what is the addition of these two numbers, and simple operation x plus y, and then I want to show that result. So this is so simple, right? And it is actually implemented in those simple steps. And the words which I have used over here are very simple. These are English-like words. Okay? This is another way how we can write that particular code. Yes, this is called as a function. What is function you may not be aware of right now, but yes, we can write functions which will be called and which will be executed, but they are going to give us some result. So whatever commands we are writing, those commands are written in very simple English words which are easily understood by any person, right? So when I want to write a program, it is very simple and faster to write that particular program. Now we will say that, okay, so far I have never done any kind of programming. This is my first time when I am thinking of learning for programming. So can I learn Python if I am not aware of programming at all? The answer is yes, you can. Now, how you can think or how you can learn Python? Let's think about the things which you can see on the screen. So on the left hand side, upper side, you can see there are certain numbers which I'm trying to add. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 and so on. So just give answer to yourself. Can I perform addition? Can I do this addition? I know how to write addition. 0 plus 1 is going to give me 1. So can I write this? Second code. There is certain situations. Say for example, you are traveling and you get this sign. Where to go? Whether you want to take left turn, whether you want to take right turn. In certain situations, are you able to take decisions on your own? Can you think in that way? What should I do? Should I do this? Should I do that? Right? If this occurs, what should I do? If this happens, what should I do? Can you think in this perspective? So these are very real life scenarios which I'm talking about. So if you can handle all these situations in your routine life, definitely you can write program using Python programming language. So the answer is yes, you can learn Python because of its